interrupt this program to bring you important information regarding a hazardous television broadcast. We have received reports that Channel 42 is currently broadcasting harmful frequencies and disturbing imagery. For your safety, please do not tune into Channel 42 until further notice. Exposure to these broadcasts may cause serious physical and psychological effects. Authorities are working diligently to resolve the issue. Please stay informed through official channels and follow updates from local authorities. We repeat, do not watch Channel 42. Turn off or change the channel immediately if you are currently tuned in. Thank you for your cooperation.